it is important to share with students that what they do online and what they're sharing and posting has a long lifetime. It's not just a one-time deal and it doesn't get forgotten quickly or easily. And so it's important to share with students that the things and the content that they post online will have a lasting impression and a reputation as well. So as a future teacher, it's important for me to recognize that this is an important message to share with my students. There are several resources that teachers can use to help teach their students the importance of being mindful about the things they're posting online. One thing that teachers can do is encourage their students to reflect about what they're posting before they actually do it. Is it something that will be a positive thing if seen by a future employer or even just their community or people they know, kids who are younger than them, who look up to them? If it's something that is seen by other people, is it positive or is it negative? And will it have a positive effect on their reputation or a negative effect? This is just an important mindset to teach students so that they can get into a habit of thinking about what they're posting before they actually do.